Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. I saw most of you get your annotated bibliographies in, so that's good. And hopefully you feel a great sense of relief. You should. So it's time to start working on our position paper. So I've got some things I want to show you for this week. Here on the screen we are in modules, looking at week 11, which is the coming week. And you will notice the first thing you see here is the position paper assignment. So you need to go look at that assignment. It will open right here as a document. It's also, you can also go into this through assignments. But this assignment is for the research paper, the argument paper. You will be making an argument in this paper using the research. So this is going to be a 5 to 6 page paper typed and double spaced that uses at least 5 sources. You can have more, but at least 5. They do not necessarily have to be the sources that you used in your annotated bibliography. They can be, but if you find something new, you can use that. But primarily library database sources, unless you've talked to me about complications with finding database sources. And you can also use your personal experience. So if this is something that is relevant to you personally, it is okay for you to talk about that and to use I, first person I. Okay, so here's that assignment. And then also in modules, I'll enlarge this a little bit so it'd be easier to see on the video. The next thing that I want you to notice is this claim development worksheet. And this is something that I want you to complete by Tuesday night. So you will open this. There is a document there that is expandable. Oh, I had it open already. Okay. That asks you to move through. You'll need to enable it for editing. But I want you, or you can write this on your own. You know, if you can't figure out how to edit in this document, just open a different Word document and answer these questions. So I want you to start thinking about what your claim is going to be. Because whatever your claim is, that's what you have to try to prove is in quotes, in such a way that your argument seems plausible. So this will help you think about what your claim is going to be. So if you will work through this and turn it in by Tuesday night, then that'll give us the next step in making our arguments. And if you can include your claim on this, that would be wonderful. Then the next thing we have in week 11 is a preliminary planning document. And I want that done by Friday. So our preliminary planning document helps you to start thinking about the resources you're going to use, the argument you're going to use, the support you're going to offer. You're just starting to put together some rough pieces. And then next week we'll start thinking about organizing and drafting. And so that'll get us through the next stages. So this document also expandable. You can edit, enable editing, and write in this document. But this will allow you to start to think about how you're going to put your argument together. And I am going to continue to keep office hours next week through Zoom. So come see me. I usually don't have that many people showing up. So I'll have plenty of time to talk to you about what you're doing, and I think it'll be useful for you.